everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about creating the simple everyday kind of makeup look. So if you wanna know how I created this makeup look, then please continue watching. So for foundation, I'm using here the Lakme 925 Natural Foundation Drops. This foundation is very lightweight and has a very thin liquid consistency, so I personally didn't like this foundation much because it has a very rough texture and gives you very less coverage. So after blending the foundation using brush, I am just dabbing the damp beauty blender all over my face to remove the excess and give it a smooth finish. You can still see few spots that are visible, so I would not personally recommend to purchase this foundation. Moving on for concealer, I am using the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade Light. I am just applying it under my eyes and also few dots on the spots that were visible and also on my T-zone area just to highlight it. Then I am using my damp beauty blender to blend it out. Then I am using a loose powder to set my face. Now for eyeshadow, I am taking the LA Colors Sweet 16 Colors eyeshadow palette. I am taking this shade right here and applying it all over my lid. Next I am going with this brown shade and applying it on my lower lash line. Next for my brows, I am using this the Maybelline New York brow pencil and filling in my brows. Next for blush, I am going with this LA Colors blush palette and using this shade right here, which also has a bit of shimmer in it that will add a bit of a highlighting effect on your cheeks. For my lips, I am going with this Maybelline New York Color Gel Matte Intense Lip Paint. Lastly for mascara, I am using the same Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara and applying it on my upper and as well as lower lashes. That's it you guys, this is the final result. Hope you liked the video. All the product details are mentioned in the description box below, so do check that out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates on every time I upload a video. Bye!